In this video, I'll show you how to screen mirror your iPhone, iPad, or even MacBook on your Skyworth Google TV. So the first step, press the home button and we need to go up there and select apps on the top. Once you select apps, you need to go and search for a specific app. So go over here, search for apps and games. Wait for the keyboard. And now you're going to type air space screen. I'm going to search for this.
Results for air screen.
You're going to select air screen. Go ahead and install this app. Open the app. Continue. Press OK. You're going to get this. Press grant. Okay, select that. Press confirm. Take your iPhone, open the camera app and scan the QR code. Go on that QR code. Select entire screen. And now if you get this message, you can ignore it. It's not important on the TV. On your iPhone, you're going to drag down from the top right corner. Whoops. You're going to have this screen and you need to find the icon that is two rectangles. You see this one over here? Let me go again there. Two rectangles, click on it. And from here, you're going to see your TV appearing. It should have the Apple TV logo. Click on it. And here we go. It just started. So now you can exit this screen on your iPhone. As you see, I'm now streaming whatever is on my screen. I can open apps, games, everything you see on your iPhone will be on your Skyworth TV. It's very useful. And once you're done and you don't want to stream anymore, we're going to press the back button on your Skyworth TV remote many times just to exit. Press yes, and this is about it. If you press the home button, you can start using your Skyworth TV again. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.